Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be learning about Frozenset in Python. Unlike a regular set, a Frozenset is immutable. This means once it's created, you can't modify its contents. Let's explore its features and use cases. Let's start by creating a Frozenset from a list of elements. We use the Frozenset constructor to create a Frozenset from a list of elements. Once created, the Frozenset cannot be modified. The output displays the Frozenset containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's perform some operations on Frozensets like union, intersection, and difference. We create two Frozensets, set 1 and set 2. We then perform union, intersection, and difference operations using the pipe, ampersand, and minus operators, respectively. Finally, we print the results. Let's see how to iterate over the elements of a Frozenset. We use a for loop to iterate over the elements of the Frozenset mySet. Each element is printed in a separate line. Let's try to modify a Frozenset to see what happens. Attempting to add an element to the Frozenset mySet will result in an attribute error since Frozensets are immutable and cannot be modified after creation. And that's it for today's exploration of Frozenset in Python. We've learned about its immutability, how to create and perform operations on Frozensets, and its iteration behavior. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.